Hello guys, welcome to another video. On this video I'm gonna show you how to install puddle lights on an Audi A3. So I just got what I needed, the lights and the cables. So let's just do a quick unboxing before we go install them. So for starters we have the harness. So it's very simple. There's not too much hassle on it. Let's split them apart. So I purchased both, the one for the front doors and for the back doors. Mine did not come with lights, so that's why I had to buy the harness. Maybe yours came with the light, and you just want to add the ones on the side, the red ones. But mine doesn't have either, so we might need, well, we might not. We will need some coating. I'll show you through OVD 11. So this is one end of the cable. This is where the light connects. And the back part of it, you're gonna have 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for like the 4 doors. And if you see, I got 2 cables. So the one that has the pin connector, this one right here, this one, it's the positive. And this one without it, it's the negative. This one will have to connect to the negative cable. I believe it's a brown color. And this one, it just goes inside the connector and just plug it in factory. So the only cable that we're gonna connect to is the ground, but we're gonna do it in a way that it looks OEM, okay? Like I said, I always like to do things that have an OEM look. That way it doesn't disturb any cables and stuff or the looks of it, and we don't run into major problems. You also have this cable, this connector, sorry. This is for the red light, the hazard lights. This one is for the white light that goes at the bottom, the puddle lights, and this one is for the hazard lights. So I can show you better here. So here we got the lights that point to the ground. So now they go here, like such. Okay. And then these are all whites. Yes. So, and then you have the red ones. The red ones, they go here. Now you have 2, all right? But I want to show you how it looks. So this is, I connected a 12 volt power supply, and here's the red one. There you go. But instead of using this, well, I'm gonna use this, but I've ordered customized lights, which I believe are gonna be cooler. So I got the Audi rings and I got the Quattro. I got the Quattro. So let's see how that works. So these are a bit more expensive, and but they look a lot better and the quality seems a bit better. So you got a projector here. So let me dim the lights. Let me shut off the lights and see how it looks like. So let's see what it looks like. So it's gonna be around here, this high, and that's what you're gonna see. So you see it does look pretty cool. And we also got the Quattro. I'm gonna put this in the back seat. Sorry, on the back doors. So let's see what it looks like with the Quattro on. Pretty cool. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get those installed, but remember that you need to have the OVD 11 or something to code it. I'll walk you through it, but you're gonna need that, and I'm also gonna put all the tools that you're gonna need to get this job done. Shouldn't take more than maybe 45 minutes, something like that.